Imagine waking up tomorrow and the sun just isn't moving. At first, it feels strange. Then you notice something worse. Outside, the air is screaming louder than a jet engine. Buildings are shaking. Cars are sliding down the street like toys. And here's the part that should really scare you. The ground never moved. You did. So what would actually happen if Earth stopped spinning instantly? Let's find out. Right now, you're moving faster than you realize. Near the equator, you're traveling at about 1,000 miles per hour, faster than most passenger planes. But here's the surprising part. Everything around you is moving at that exact same speed, so it feels completely normal. Now imagine Earth slamming on the brakes. Everything not firmly attached keeps moving. People, cars, trees, buildings, even the oceans. The result would be a wave of destruction, unlike anything in human history. And the unsettling part? That's only the first few seconds. What happens next is even harder to imagine. The atmosphere. The layer of gases and air surrounding our planet wouldn't stop immediately either. It would keep moving at tremendous speed. That means winds faster than the speed of sound could sweep across the entire globe. Entire cities could be flattened. Forests could disappear in minutes. Anything not built deep underground would struggle to survive. This wouldn't feel like a storm. It would feel like the planet itself was trying to shake everything off its surface. But suppose you somehow survived those impossible winds. Would you finally be safe? Not even close. Because the oceans would still be moving. All that water covering our planet could rush across the continents at hundreds of miles per hour. Imagine walls of water, taller than skyscrapers, crashing inland. Most coastal cities would disappear. Entire regions could end up underwater. The maps you've known your whole life would never look the same again. And when the water finally settled, Earth would look like a completely different planet. But here's what almost nobody expects. Something even stranger would be happening above your head. Imagine waking up and the sun never setting. Or even worse, never rising. If Earth stopped spinning, normal days would no longer exist. One side of the planet would face the sun for months at a time. The other side would remain in endless darkness. The sunny side could become unbearably hot, turning vast regions into scorching deserts. Meanwhile, the dark side could freeze beneath massive sheets of ice. Only a narrow strip between day and night might remain somewhat livable. But even there, survival wouldn't be easy. But here's the twist almost nobody talks about. The biggest survivor of all this might not be humans at all. Life has survived asteroid impacts, ice ages, and even mass extinctions. Some organisms can survive in boiling water. Others remain frozen solid for years and still come back to life. Nature has an incredible ability to adapt. Humans, not nearly as well. Our cities, our food systems, our technology, our transportation, and even our power grids all depend on Earth working exactly the way it does today. Take that away, and rebuilding civilization could become one of the greatest challenges humanity has ever faced. Which leads to something worth thinking about. Every ordinary sunrise, every calm breeze, every completely unremarkable day only happens because our planet keeps spinning perfectly every single second. Maybe the most amazing thing about Earth isn't that it spins, it's that it never forgets to. So, here's one last question. If you had just 24 hours before Earth stopped spinning forever, what would you do first? Let me know in the comments.